Hi, I'm Dr. Gwen Pearson, and I run K-12 education programs for the Purdue Department of Entomology. I wanted to give you a quick overview of entomology and our school programs. K-12 and off-campus programs in normal times, we will travel all over the state. We offer programs primarily for grades 5 through 12 on and off campus. And our programs have a really strong emphasis on hands-on interactions with living insects and spiders. Nothing gets a student's attention like having a live animal in their hand. So right now we have shifted to all digital programs, but we have used WebEx, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, Google Hangouts, you name it, we can probably connect. Our most commonly requested digital program is an AMA, Ask Me Anything. In consultation with the teacher, we'll identify the disciplinary core idea or cross-cutting topic that they really want to focus on, and then we can steer the students' questioning towards that. Biology, careers in agriculture, ecology are things that we really commonly cover. Insects are so versatile, we can connect them to pretty much any sort of cross-cutting topic that you want to focus on. The entomologist will review with students some basic background about arthropods and insects, usually in a know, want to know format. If you're really pressed for time, we can do the know, want to know as a pre-program activity and then jump right into the questioning. And the entomologist will answer each question using visual aids and props, and the props are mostly our live animals from the insect zoo collection. It's a digital program isn't the same as a zoo tour or us being there in person, but students do stay really engaged because live animals. Because we are a USDA permitted facility, that allows us to have some really unusual species that you won't normally see outside of a zoo. And so, for example, we have 3 different species of leaf insects, and that lets us show here are 3 animals that are from the same group, but look at how different their bodies are. They're from different geographic areas, so we can talk about biogeography. The other thing that's really neat about our having permits is it allows us to talk about things like invasive species, predator-prey, species of agricultural importance. And so why is this roach on the list from USDA and that roach not? We have an endangered species in our care at the zoo, and that lets us talk about what does it mean to try and save a species? What does endangered mean? And then the best part is the endangered species that we have is a roach. And so getting students to think about do we need to save the roaches? Does that count? If it doesn't, why doesn't it count? We also receive U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service smuggled wildlife. And so that's a socioeconomic topic that we can talk about. So smuggled wildlife, most people think of pangolins and pandas, but actually there's a massive market in smuggled invertebrates. If you have a hermit crab, that crab was taken from a beach, probably somewhere in the Caribbean. Hermit crabs do not breed in captivity, so every hermit crab that you see for sale has been stolen somewhere out of its native habitat. And lastly, I just want to say we have always offered programs free to schools with over 50% of their students enrolled in the free supplemental lunch program. With our completely mixed up COVID world, we have waived all fees for all schools until the end of the year. So we'll be continuing that policy probably until the end of 2021. And thanks for letting me come and chat with you, and please email me if you have any questions.